Hi, I'm Melissa Humphris and I recently did the spring cleanse with Mandakini. Before I started the cleanse, I was really quite foggy. I had belly fat. I felt like nauseous in the morning. I had coated tongue. Slow joints were aching. And when I went on the cleanse, I loved it. The support that I got from the class in Mandakini, we did cooking together. I physically felt a real change, and halfway through, and by the end of it, my hip pain that I'd had, like chronic hip pain, totally gone. I felt lighter. I lost 2.5 kilos in the 7 days. I'm absolutely loving life. It's easy to stick to. And the food, I hadn't even heard of some of the food, but they're going to be my go-to from now on. And I just recommend it for everyone to do it. You will not ever go back. Thanks.